Valentine's Day is just around the corner, and it's time to start making some of those Valentine's Day earrings. So I'm going to be using today a heart charm, a jump ring, a small bead cap, a flower, another small bead cap, and another flower that are all going to get slid onto this eye pin, and then it'll get finished up with this fishhook ear wire. So to get started, I'm going to use the eye pin, and I'm going to take the one bead cap. I'm going to slide the flower into it. I'm going to pick it up and use another bead cap and the flower. And then I'm going to take and bend my eye pin and take my wire cutters, and I usually judge about the width of my finger, and I cut that off. I'm going to take my round nose pliers, and I'm going to curl it up and then grab it in and make my loop there, so I have a round loop. I'm going to put that down and grab the jump ring and take my chain nose pliers. I'm going to open it up. I'm going to open it by sliding it side to side. I'm going to slip on my heart and slip it onto the eye pin, and then take the and close my jump ring. And then all I have to do is grab my ear wire and gently push it aside there like that. Slide on my earring and gently pull it back. And now I have a pair of Valentine's Day earrings. And there you have it, a pair of Valentine's Day earrings. To find this design and others, visit us at firemountaingems.com.